Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you what I got for Prime Day last month in July. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is one of the first things I got. It's just a plastic drawer piece. You can hang it on the wall, but I am getting ready to organize my craft room and my scrap box since I have things all over the place. Did you guys see my videos about these wax melts I made? A whole bunch of them. Crafty asked me to review some of their products, and so I made a whole bunch of wax melts. I just stuck them in here just because I just made them, and this was right next to my desk. So I'll need to get organized, but there's 16 drawers, and I'm going to use it to be on my desk to grab little things that I can add to my projects. I'm not really sure what things yet, but that is my idea with this. So this is one of the things, this plastic container. I also got 2 Echo Shows. It's the older ones, but I don't care. I got one for my mom since she's by herself since my dad passed away. She's home alone a lot, and so this is just easy for her to, you know, tell Alexa to call me because she has neuropathy in her fingers. They're just numb. I think it's from age. I'm not sure, but so they're numb, so she can't. When she was trying to dial 911 when my dad had passed away, she was having a hard time because of her fingers. So that was one thing. I was like, you just tell Alexa to call 911. You're not pressing any more buttons. Oh boy. But so I got her. We have one in our living room, but I got one for my craft room. And I got her one as well. And I have some crafty friends who said that we were going to craft together on our Alexas, but we have yet to do that. And that was probably maybe 2 years ago now. Just a reminder if you're watching my video. I also ended up picking up a set of Resin Dies. I don't even remember how much this stuff was, but I'm pretty sure I felt like it was a good price if I got it, especially because it was on Prime Day. It had to be a really good price. But there are an assortment of them in here, so I'm excited to be able to use these. I also ended up picking me up one of these, what are they called? Snap buttons, maybe? Yeah, so I've not had one of these, and this was a good deal on Prime. I was gonna say, look, it's missing something, but it just fell out, so it's not. But how exciting. So I'm excited to play with that. I'll need to figure out somewhere to put this. I also got one of these Waffle Flower media mats. I actually, oh, sorry, but didn't ruin that. I actually saw these last year at the scrapbook convention, and I should have got it then. But one of my other girlfriends at the table ended up getting it, so we got to play with it, and I should have got it. Instead, I waited, and then I saw it was on sale for Prime, so that's what I ended up getting. So I'll be doing some more mixed media stuff with this mat soon. And then the last thing I got that I can remember is this light board for tracing. It was a really good price, and so I am going to check this thing out. Let's see if we can open it. So it's called Tracer, rechargeable, LED, adjustable, illuminated, and it's green, my favorite color. I remember being able to pick the color. I'm sure, so there's the USB port up here at the top. The on and off switch is at the top right next to the USB port. I was gonna say, doesn't it come with a USB wire? But it does. So you can charge it. I'm not sure if it needs to be plugged in while you're using it, but we'll find out. Oh, it says rechargeable, so I can recharge it. It doesn't need to be plugged in. How exciting. But yeah, so that was my Prime Day haul. Were you guys able to shop for Prime Day? Let me know if you guys got some crafty goodness on some great deals. I'd be interested to hear. I know they're having another Prime Day, so maybe they'll have the deals you guys got again, and I'll be able to hit those deals up as well. But for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!